Hello, here are some tips for new mommies that are going through postpartum hair loss. These are things I would allow my hairstylist to do in order to help me restore my hair back. Number one, I would allow my hairstylist to let her know what I'm feeling at that moment, whether it's I'm going through possible depression or different things like that. Do a consultation where she understands what I'm actually dealing with, so she can take the necessary steps to see how she can assist me. And one of those ways is she can look and find out if I am taking any forms of medication, what are the side effects, because I may be dealing with depression or anxiety, and that may be the side effect depending on what kind of medicine, if applicable, that I am using. So that's a good one. Make sure that you have open communication with your hairstylist, right? Number two, I would allow my hairstylist to do stimulating shampoos to go ahead and wake up those hair follicles, get the bloodstream flowing, because that is the key factor. Also, after she washes my hair and then she applies the treatment on my hair, whatever that may be, I would ask for a second stimulated treatment done to my hair to make sure that medication is getting into those hair follicles. Another thing I would definitely allow my hairstylist to do is to, let me see what else I put on here, is to do a hairstyle that has extensions in it. So let's say I decided to do some braids. I would definitely allow my hairstylist to do my braids, as long as she promises that she will be able to still shampoo and apply my treatments to my hair, or she can teach me how to do it myself so I don't have to come into the salon each time to do that. And make sure that most of the times when you're dealing with postpartum hair loss, you're losing it right around those edges, right in this section here. So I don't want braids or anything that's causing tension to be on those areas where I'm already experiencing some form of hair loss, okay? So yes, I would definitely get some braids or something like that to get my hair, to be relaxed while that happens. And lastly, I would definitely allow my hairstylist to speak to my dermatologist or trichologist to understand the different steps that she has to do to help me through this process as I restore my hair and get me back to the place that I need to be. The best thing you can do is always get help. You can't do this on your own when you're going through postpartum, period, because it's an emotional and a physical loss all at the same time. So you're being hit from different directions, all right? So these are things that I would allow my hairstylist to do. And if you enjoy this information and you are a mommy that is experiencing postpartum hair loss or maybe something underlining, go ahead and hit the follow button. And we have some no-cost information just for you to answer your questions, as well as to help you maneuver through your journey on restoring your hair. All right. I'll see you ladies next video. Bye.